Need an electronic whiteboard? Look no further than Google's Jamboard. Go to Google Drive, click on New, go to More, and then go down to Google Jamboard. And it will give you a new interactive whiteboard to share with your kids. You can share it just like any other Google document or presentation. And if you share it, then the kids can write in it. It has a few features. If this is a math class, you might want to choose some graph paper. You can write on it. I am using my finger on the screen, which is not the best way to do this. If you have a stylus, any cheap stylus will work pretty well. But you can write out your problems. You can erase your problems with the eraser, or you can just tell it to clear the frame. If you have an image of a problem, you can click the Add Image and import the image of your equation or problem and drop it in here. You can also add a sticky note. So the way that I've seen it used that I thought was particularly effective is the math teacher used the first slide to do the I do. They explained how to do a particular problem. And then on the other slides, and I think you can have up to 22, they had dropped in problems for different groups. So here's a group, and so we'll say Oscar and Emma. So she assigned the slides to different teams, and then she dropped in a problem, and Oscar and Emma then had to do the problem related to the other problem on this screen that the teacher demonstrated. So the kids could then write in here, and she could give them feedback in real time on their math. The only thing I didn't go over is the laser. It just disappears, but it's a pretty nice basic whiteboard, and it's within the Google suite, so it works really well with all of our Google tools. I hope this is helpful. Thanks.